Welcome to the EZist app. This module looks at how to join a community as a business or legal persona. Other tutorials are available for joining as a private individual or service provider. From the main screen, open the Welcome to EZist topic, and read the welcome message. Then tap on the Join button near the top of the screen. Select your community from the drop-down list. Choose Owner, or if you just occupy the unit, Resident. Then Legal Persona. And Submit. Select the applicable unit or units. And the type of business. Followed by your business and personal details. Your email, phone number, and ID number will be populated, if you provided them during registration. Once you submit your information, you will receive an email with a one-time password. Copy and paste it into the EZist app. This is the last chance to check that your personal information is correct, and update it if required. Tap Confirm to submit the OTP. With your consent, the personal information provided will be shared with your community. If your information matches the information in the community database, you will automatically be approved. If there are any discrepancies, then an agent or scheme executive may contact you for additional information. After approval, all the community topics will appear on the main screen. Please take a moment to watch our other videos to learn about the services offered. EZist, for community living made easy.